Welcome to Lucha Libre Mechanic Productions. Boom! Here, we're all about saving you cash and money. Please like and subscribe. If you have any feedback, leave it behind. We always want to get better. Now, let's get started. Now, we're going to change the PCV valve on a 2013 F-150 with a 5.0 V8 Coyote engine. This process is identical for the 2011s, the 2014s, yet the older generation of the 4.6s, F-150s, is essentially the same placement, and overall same process. So please follow along. Let's take care of this. Now, if you look right over here, this is the actual PCV location, the blue plastic piece right there. To get to that piece, all you do is move this little gray clip towards the front of the bumper. Lift up on the clip and then just pull back on the hose, and that exposes the actual PCV valve. To remove it, I like to utilize channel locks. There we go. All right, now it's completely out. It ought to be rattling to indicate it's still good. I like to change my PCV valves every 10,000 miles. Yes, that is excessive. The required intervals should be anywhere between 20 to 50,000 miles. I do mine every 10,000 because they're so inexpensive. And this part number is EV Echo Victor 269. It's a Motorcraft packaging here, an original Motorcraft Ford piece. I love buying my parts off RockAuto and also utilize Summit Racing. This one actually came from Home Depot, $6 a piece. And yes, they do deliver for free if you have the app. Now, to place it back in place, all you do is position directly on top and twist to the right, about a quarter turn there, and then place the hose back in place. All you do is push down and listen for the clip to pop. There it goes. I pull up, check it, push back down, and you're good to go. Now, it's incredibly important to change this often. Again, I do every 10,000. Recommendation is every 20 to 50,000 miles. The reason why is a PCV valve, which is a positive crankcase ventilation valve, is actually in charge of ensuring that the actual pressure within your engine is adequate, and not changing it and driving around with a bad PCV valve can lead to increased pressure, which can stress your seals and your gaskets, along with diminish your MPGs. So simple job, we're all done, we're good to go.